Really fun. So we'll kind of stop. Is there any questions? If you have any questions, then we're pretty much good to go.
What was your biggest mistake in business?
Going to Liberty University. Just kidding. Too many. So I don't know. Does anybody here have trust issues? If you have trust issues, raise your hand. So I trust people. I can't help it. Like I can't go through life and not trust people. It's so pessimistic. I don't know. I don't like it. So I had a really close friend of mine, like my best friend. This was 9 years ago. Say, hey Johnny, I need some money to start a company. Why don't you do it with me? What do you want to do? This IT company. A media company. We're gonna make commercials. So we got a contract with Red Bull. We have a contract with some type of English service. All right, I don't know anything about that, but how much do you need? 50 grand. All right, I don't know. He's my best friend. I'm not gonna do anything with the money anyway. It's just sitting in my bank account, my shoebox, my room. Here, so I gave him the money. So me, my friend Joe, and this other Cuban guy named Oro. So Oro was the designer. Joe was like the manager, and I did absolutely nothing. I just coached soccer, and then I asked, "How's the company doing?" Good. We just made this video for a commercial for Red Bull. Oh, I saw it. That's really cool. We did that. That's awesome. So we did the company for 2 years, and then after 2 years, it fell apart. I didn't know. I didn't go to office. I'm not really part of the company, but it fell apart. Joe left. He moved back to I don't know. He went somewhere in the Middle East, and this other guy, Oro, he's Cuban. He went back to Cuba. So it's just me. So whatever. They closed the company down. No problem. So I get this letter in the mail from the tax office. Well, for 2 years, they never paid the VAT. So value-added tax. So Tyson's my client, right? He owes me $3,000, 3,000,000 won, okay? So when I give him the invoice, I put 3.3 million won. So I add 300,000. Does that make sense? So he pays me 300,000, and then I'm supposed to keep that 300,000, 10%. That counts for VAT. And then after the quarter's over, I send that 300,000 to the Korean government. So we had contracts of like $100,000, $200,000. We had all these contracts. So we were billing like $500,000 in business. But my partner never paid the VAT. So the government's like, you owe all this money. You, Joe, Waller, and Oro. Well, Oro's in Cuba, Joe's somewhere in Kuwait. I can't believe I owe this money. Like I owed like 6 digits, a lot of money to the Korean government. It's not fair. So I contacted them. They don't respond. My friends, they don't respond. It's so not fair. So whatever, I'm not paying it. I don't have enough money. I can't do it. So I didn't pay. And then 6 months later, the government shut down all my bank accounts. So any money that went into my bank account, the government took it. So I'm like, I need cash. Like can you just pay me cash today? Like I'm gonna go into school, so foreign school. Like, can you pay me cash? Like, no. We gotta wire it to your account. So I'm like, tell me what time you're wiring it. Cause like I'm sitting there at the ATM, like when this money comes in, I gotta get it out or the Korean government's gonna get it. So that's what I was thinking. No, it automatically went to the Korean government. So I had to get a lawyer and I had to go to the tax office and we had to do some type of bargaining. Like, I don't have all this money, can I get it down? So it took me like 4 years to pay off all this money. That wasn't even my fault. Ugh, that sucked. It's ridiculous. So anyway, I could have bought a lot more soccer balls with that. But it's a lesson learned. Like it's 100% it's my fault. Because I should have been more involved in the company and seen what was going on financially. But I trusted my best friend. Like he's not a bad guy. He was just stupid. And he wasn't trying to cheat me on purpose. He was just stupid. So I didn't realize he was that stupid. So that was a huge mistake. I lost a ton of money on that. But I don't know. Keep moving forward. I'm still awesome. So yes.